All right, gentlemen, picture this. You're in the bedroom with an amazing woman. The moment feels perfect. Clothes are off, the excitement is high, and then disaster. Or at least it feels that way. Your body doesn't rise to the moment. Maybe it starts, then fades. Maybe it doesn't happen at all. You feel embarrassed, frustrated, maybe even guilty. Your mind starts racing. She must think I'm not into her. I've let her down. Here's the truth. It doesn't have to be a disaster. There's a way to handle it calmly, confidently, and still stay attractive, even when your body isn't cooperating. I'm Dr. Laura, urologist and men's health expert with 12 years of experience. Today, I'll walk you through what women actually think in those moments, and most importantly, how to deal with it so both of you still enjoy a close, satisfying experience. Before we start, take a moment to like, comment below where you're watching from, and subscribe. These tips aren't just theories. They're real-life methods that help men like you regain control and confidence. First, let's fix a common misunderstanding. Many men assume that if they can't stay hard, the woman is secretly judging them or thinks they're not attractive. The reality? 9 times out of 10, her first reaction isn't to judge you, it's to question herself. Women are often taught to blame themselves. In that moment, she might think, am I not attractive enough? Did I do something wrong? Do I smell bad? Do my curves turn him off? Even confident women have this reflex. So while you're worrying about your performance, she might be worrying about her own desirability. The truth is, you're both anxious, but for completely different reasons. If you think she's judging you, you're missing a key insight that could completely change the night. Here's where experience matters. Over the last 12 years, I've helped thousands of men through situations like this. What I've learned is that how you react in that moment shapes how she sees you, how confident you feel, and even how your body responds. Performance issues happen to almost every man at some point. Tiredness, stress, alcohol, nerves with a new partner, all of these can affect your body's natural response. It's normal. It's not the end of your sex life. Mistake number 1, shutting down. You go quiet, pull away, or end the night without a word. The result? She fills in the blanks and blames herself. This builds anxiety, insecurity, and makes her less open next time. Mistake number 2, getting defensive or angry. She asks what's wrong, and you snap or change the subject. The result? Trust fades, intimacy drops, and she feels blamed. If it's a new or casual partner, it can even end the connection completely. Avoiding the topic never helps. Carrying that shame forward just creates a cycle of anxiety and performance trouble. So if shutting down and getting defensive don't work, what does? Here's the 3-step method I teach my patients, simple and effective in the moment. Step 1. Address it directly. Stay calm and say, tonight, it's just not happening for me. Step 2. Reassure her it's not her fault. Say, it's not you. You look incredible. Step 3. Focus on her pleasure. Shift the attention to her experience. Tell her, let me focus on you. I want you to feel amazing. Why this works? Anxiety triggers adrenaline, which reduces blood flow. Focusing on her calms your body and helps it recover. Emotionally, she feels cared for, wanted, and safe. Practically, you avoid awkward silence, stay connected, and even set the stage for more confident moments in the future. 2 things make this work best: tone and follow through. Say it calmly, casually. Don't over-apologize or act ashamed. She'll mirror your confidence. Then follow through. Really focus on her pleasure. Use your hands, mouth, and attention. If you stop worrying about your erection and start enjoying her, your body often comes back naturally. Use slow, gentle touches. Pay attention to how she reacts. Notice her breathing and movement. Learn what feels best for her. With care and attention, she can still have powerful orgasms without penetration. She'll remember you as generous and attentive, not as the man who couldn't perform. If she asks, "What's wrong?" say, "Nothing's wrong with you. I'm just not getting there tonight. Let me take care of you." If she asks, "Is it me?" say, "Not at all. You're gorgeous. I'm really into you. My body's just not catching up." If she says, "We can stop," reply, "Only if you want to. I'd love to keep going by focusing on you." The key idea: offer options. Don't pressure. Stay present. Keep your voice warm and your body relaxed. Check in softly. So, softer or firmer? Here or higher? Attention is sexy. Pressure kills desire. When she peaks, slow down. Hold her. Offer water. Breathe together. End the night with closeness, not apology. Don't over-apologize, make self-blaming jokes, or try to force penetration to prove something. Be honest and kind. Stay engaged. Show affection. It happens to every man. A quick text later can make a big difference. Had an amazing time with you. Loved taking care of you. Next time will be even better. If anxiety happens often, name it lightly. Sometimes my brain gets in the way when I really like someone. I'll handle it. That's confidence, not excuses. If this happens rarely, these strategies are enough. If it's frequent, say 1 in 4 times, look at possible causes: lack of sleep, stress, alcohol, meds, depression, low testosterone, high blood pressure, diabetes, or circulation issues. Fixing those helps not just your sex life, but your heart and brain health too. 2 common supplements men ask about: watermelon extract, rich in L-citrulline, helps blood flow, and herbal blends with tongat alley, fenugreek, nettle root, and citrulline can support stamina, testosterone, and prostate health. They're not magic pills, but useful tools while you work on the basics. When your erection doesn't cooperate, protect her from self-blame and yourself from shame. Lead with care. Address it. Reassure her. Focus on her pleasure. Do it calmly and confidently. The result? She remembers you as attentive and giving. Next time, you'll both be more relaxed, and your body will respond better when stress isn't in the way. Start tonight. Pick one small strategy: calm honesty, focused attention, or aftercare. Add more over time. Celebrate small wins. Like this video, comment which strategy you'll try first, and subscribe for more real men's health tips. Remember, age doesn't end vitality. Small, steady habits restore confidence, intimacy, and freedom. You can handle challenges, keep connections strong, and enjoy amazing experiences today, tomorrow, and beyond.